Bonjour, my name is Baptiste. I had the chance to travel all around the world over the past decade and taste so many different flavors. For this movie, I want to find the best tapas in the Spanish Basque Country. And of course, other food specialties besides. And trust me, it's delicious there. But wait, let's establish some rules to make this trip more adventurous. First, no internet assistance. Let's engage in conversations with locals. 2. Let's try to find local hosts for accommodation. 3. Let's cycle for this trip. Now let's embark on this food adventure together. Come with me and be hungry.
Hola chicos, bienvenido en España. For this first movie, we're gonna be in the Basque Country in Spain. And I have a guest again. And it's not the same than the last episode, it's Jean, another cyclist.
Hola chicos!
After crossing the border, the first thing we need is a map. Our goal is to find the best tapas, and San Sebastián seems to be the right place to find it.
Hola señor, buenos días. Tengo una pregunta, ¿dónde está la oficina de turismo?
¿Oficina de turismo?
Sí.
¿Está el coche rojo?
Sí.
Por favor.
Gracias.
Vas a ver.
Sí, muchas gracias. Buen día.
We found the tourism office and get some maps to find how to go in San Sebastián. We also asked them,
¿Cuál es el restaurante con los mejores pinchos?
Esto que es el Gran Sol,
Gran Sol.
todo el mundo lo conoce, todo el mundo pregunta por el Gran Sol.
so we decide to go in Gran Sol. But on your way, first issue, flat tire. So unlucky. But thankfully we are too. Jean went in the center and found a bike shop. Quick repair, and after a few kilometers we arrived in Fontarrabie. But we don't know where is Gran Sol. So we asked to the police to guide us, and surprisingly, they escort us. I've never seen that in France, to be honest. Straight to the restaurant. But second bad luck of the day, what a start. Gran Sol is closed. So we are just going at the front to get some lunch. We order some tapas, wine, and something special. This drink. French people will cry for this. This is wine mixed with Coca-Cola. And it's a specialty here in the Spanish Basque Country. Apparently was born in 1972 during old port parties in Techo, close to Bilbao. This friend managed the party and bought 2,000 liters of wine, but it was spiked. It's made like vinegar. But not losing this huge wine quantity, they created a cocktail with Coca-Cola. They found a name based on a friend's nickname, Cali, and Mocho, meaning ugly in Basque, and became Calimocho. Even the Spanish Royal Academy of Language recognized it.
With a lot of ice, like Coca-Cola. I bet the red one is not the best, but it's not so bad.
Coca-Cola with wine. No smell. Yeah. It's special. I won't take two. It's Coca-Cola with wine.
Thankfully, the food was better with the classic cod omelette, pork loin sandwich, prawns tapas, and the famous chipirons.
But maybe we ate a little bit too much before going up to the hill.
We're gonna do a small sport. Ready? Ready? We are not ready. See you then.
We struggle a bit.
I don't know if I really climb better with wine mixed with Coca-Cola. I don't know. I don't think it was the best idea. Definitely not.
But it's okay. The road is beautiful and we have a little surprise at the top. We met some pochok. Oh, they are so cute. These small horses, and they're just friends with us. It's so cool. Just chilling and talking. Following the climb, a log downhill, of course, and we even get a small boat to cross a bay. So cool. We are not really far from San Sebastián, we just follow the coast, it's not complicated to be honest. And we finally arrived in San Sebastián. And we are trying to find an accommodation. We don't know where to sleep, and we don't think to find local hosts tonight, because the plan is to let our bikes and trying to go out to try all the places with the tapas. But without internet, how do we do? We do the same as this morning. We go to the tourist office and ask And we also want some tapas recommendation for tonight.
Es una habitación doble con baño compartido.
Perfecto.
¿Vale? Son 61 euros la noche, la habitación. También en la calle 31 de agosto, el bar La Viña por la tarta de queso.
On the way to the hostel, we talked with someone and asked him also food recommendation. And it's funny, he told us the same at the tourism office.
Ah, sí.
La viña hay otro, tiene
¿Y cuáles son las especialidades de este lugar?
fama en la tarta de queso.
We found our hostel, take a shower, switch our clothes, and now let's find the best tapas in San Sebastian. And the thing is, it's already been, so you can do everything by walk, and the bay is just setting for the sunset. Our first stop is at the Gandarias. Most of the restaurants have a special tapas, so we just asked for these ones.
Sí, vamos a probar
¿Los tres puede ser?
Sí.
¿Tu boca?
We also discover a local wine, the Chacori. It's a white wine.
El vino de aquí, de Gondarribi Zuri. Es una mezcla de uva sin madurar, uva blanca. Contiene un sabor un poco como mineral, pero de mar. Está hecho aquí.
So he brought us the grilled foie gras, risotto with mushrooms, and the grilled beef sirloin. And I'm sure you already guessed the best one.
Tellement bon.
You wonder why they put it with bread, but actually it's really tasteful to put it with bread. It's really nice. The balance between the salt, the meat, and the bread is so nice.
Following this tasty tapas, we go to the next recommendation, La Cepa de Bernardo. Of course, we get a second Chacori Sanctu Yoel and ask him for the things to try. Two things here.
Es jamón y queso a la plancha. Sale un montón, sale.
And the croquetas. I love that. This is the most famous tapas in Spain. But it's French. The origin came from the 16th, 17th century, and the name was croquette. It's a bechamel, makes sense it's French, with stuff inside. One legend says it would have been created for Louis XIV. Another says it's from farmers. Anyway, the croquette crossed the border with Napoleon when he invaded Spain between 1808 and 1814. Then it became famous in Spain and its name switched for croquetas. Today the most popular one is with jamón, ham, and I asked the secret to Bernardo, the owner and creator of the restaurant.
Buen jamón.
Buen jamón. Eso es.
And the people behind, of course. I had my photo with Bernardo and he offers us two croquetas. And we taste both.
One of the best I've ever ate.
So delicious.
This is really good. Joel, gracias.
Gracias. Así, claro.
After these two discoveries, let's go next door at La Viña to get the cheesecake and other tapas. It's crazy. In this city, everything is delightful, tasty, yummy, delicious. There is not enough adjective to describe it. I also asked,
¿Y cuál es el secreto de la tarta de queso aquí? ¿Por qué es tan famoso?
Le hacemos con cariño.
and try it, of course.
First dessert. AV. Very good, but very AV. 4 restaurants, last one. We have a reservation at 9:30. Whew, it's hard.
Last stop at Nestor to try one dish with vegetable. First one, the famous tomato.
Best tomato.
I told you.
Wow. Blowing in your mouth.
We also order green pepper with olive oil, and the bartender, Tito, convinced us for something not very light. If one day I make money with this video, I will give everything to a charity for people who need food. It's the chuleta. Oh la la, it's already too much when I see it. And this is the smallest one. And of course, it's...
La chuleta está muy rica.
After a few drinks, I want to switch. I did something bad. Don't judge me. I'm French, I know.
¡Torro! ¡Calimocho Chacolí, Bautista!
I order one with Coca-Cola, a Calimocho, the French god of wine. Don't blame me, désolé. Before leaving, they offered us a pacharan and no time to go to sleep. Just a sum up, my top 3 of tapas for the moment: croquetas, to the tomato, and the first one, the grilled beef sirloin. And we conclude with
a bit drunk, I guess. So many nice meeting in the Pinchos. Any reaction, Jean, for the first day?
Yeah, I've been coming here like, I don't know, 10 to 15 times. This is the first time I have so much different experiences. It was crazy. Bernardo, Tito, Antonio, they were all so nice.
But tomorrow is gonna be another adventure, less tasting for sure. We're gonna go to a cider place and just try to find how they make cider. So see you tomorrow, have a good night.
See you, have a good night.
Thanks for watching this episode. If you are here, it probably means that you enjoy it. If you want to support this project without effort, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and see you next week for the next chapter.